Microsoft lays off 1,900 Activision Blizzard and Xbox employees. Microsoft is cutting 1,900 jobs from its gaming division, affecting Activision Blizzard and Xbox teams. This move follows Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard and targets overlapping roles. Microsoft Gaming's layoffs represent about 8% of their total workforce of 22,000. Phil Spencer, Microsoft Gaming CEO, confirmed the cuts in an internal memo. The layoffs coincide with Mike Ibarra, Blizzard's president, leaving the company. Microsoft plans to announce a new Blizzard president soon, with Chief Design Officer Alan Adam also departing. Blizzard's previously unveiled survival game is also cancelled. Microsoft will move some of the game's team to other early-stage projects. The layoffs coincide with job cuts announced by other tech firms including Riot Games, Google, Discord, Twitch, Unity, and eBay. Microsoft completed its acquisition of Activision Blizzard for $68.7 billion in October, after regulatory hurdles. Activision Blizzard's former CEO Bobby Kotick stepped down in December. Microsoft previously announced major layoffs a year ago, impacting 10,000 employees. The company will soon report its fiscal Q2 2024 earnings, including Activision Blizzard's impact.